Design development is a crucial phase of the architectural process. This phase occurs after the schematic design phase. To learn more about that, click the link in the description to watch our video. In this video, we are going to discuss what happens in the design development phase and how to prepare. My name is Nick Lindsley, and I'm an architect here at Newman Munson. In design development, you will determine materials, systems and equipment, and the design will begin to represent the completed building. This video will break down the design development process and outline expectations for meetings and time commitments, helping you prepare for the process ahead. Before discussing the design development process, let's discuss how this phase relates to the rest of the architectural process. Design development is an interim period between schematic design and construction documents. Schematic design sets the path for your project and confirms sizing, exterior massing, and programming elements. In design development, these fundamental decisions begin developing into a plan the team will finalize in construction documents. Design development involves your architect working closely with engineers and other consultants to analyze systems and materials and estimate costs. For clients, this phase involves both large and small-scale decision-making. Ideally, all decisions from the type of mechanical system to paint colors are selected during this time. Broadly speaking, design development is a process of refining the design to define quality and scope of the work. The process will look different for each project, but generally you can expect a few deliverables from your architect and their team of consultants. First, your architect will analyze both exterior and interior materials. Their analysis will include a first cost estimate, helping you understand the implications of each material choice. Your architect may also work with mechanical, electrical, and plumbing engineers to analyze the life cycle costs of the systems and equipment. Civil engineers and landscape architects will join the process to create options for the site plan. Beyond materials and equipment, you will also make choices for technology, light fixtures, site design, furniture, and signage. To help you understand each option, your architect will continue using visualization tools deployed during schematic design, especially 3D models. Throughout design development, 3D models will become more detailed and accurate, and by the end of the design phase, you will have a clear picture of the final product. Cost estimates are also an important aspect of design development. In schematic design, you will receive a probable opinion of cost for the project. As you select materials and systems, this opinion will get more accurate. Depending on the project delivery method, your architect may work with your contractor for cost estimates. For example, design build and design negotiate build projects allow the architect and contractor to collaborate from the project's onset and determine the cost of materials. For design bid build projects, your architect may work with a third-party cost estimator. And by the end of design development, you should better understand your project's construction cost. Decision-making is the top priority of design development. Therefore, you should have a process for making decisions and communicating them with your team. Although your architect will guide you through the process, you should have your core decision makers in place and appoint a person to communicate decisions with your project manager. The decision process is most effective when the architect and client have a streamlined communication process. Additionally, you will need a clear understanding of your project goals. In design development, you may have to make budget-based decisions. Keeping your long-term priorities top of mind will help you get the most out of your budget. Design development can be an exciting phase of the architectural process. As you select materials and systems, the design becomes more detailed and reflective of the final product. Although the process will differ on every project, you should always prepare by reviewing your project goals and putting together a core group of decision makers. With clear communication, design development is more likely to run smoothly. Now that you better understand design development, learn about later phases of the architectural process by reading our overview of contract administration. Thanks for watching.